Show them folks what happened when you relentless, and your actions start to match the path for what you intended. Put the time in to perfect the craft, I'm the truest in it. Ain't a doubt about it either. When it's in, you better own it. I'ma shout it out the speakers.
What's up, Outdoor Wicked Adventurings? Today we head to a power plant to find hot open water. It's pretty nice out. It's already like 67 in Arkansas, so we don't have to travel far to find nice water, open water, but there's a spot Jeremy really wanted to try, so we're gonna hit it up and see what happens. Come along for the adventure.
But we shining and it shows through the flows and the pros that I speak. That's why you can find me at the beat. I get the climate just when
There's shotties. There's shotties down. Ooh, so this is more action than we've seen all day, you guys. So I'm pretty excited you get to join us along for this Outdoor Wicked Adventures. We got the 10-footers out, so we're gonna wing them out with our cut carp. And then I'm actually going to throw corn out because I saw remnants of a common carp back when we were walking. So I'm gonna try and catch a carp. Jeremy's gonna try and catch a cat, and we'll see if we can catch anything at all. That's a big stack. Got the corn for my carpy. Woo. Nom nom nom. Sweet. We're getting our 10-footers out with the cut bait. I got my corny out. I'm super excited. And then we brought some deer steaks, y'all. So we're gonna have some deer steaks and morel mushrooms tonight in a red wine sauce. Ooh, with cilantro lime rice. Delicious if I don't say so myself. Jeremy's headache got a little bit worse because he's fixing the light that I broke a long time ago. It's been fixed several times, but we have our cute little setup going on. Look at this cutest cottage coffee. Absolutely love it. And then down here, we got our rod set up, the 10-foot meat hunters out. I have, my kitchen, which Trigger took over. Trigger spot, which I guess I'll take over. Let's have a good night, y'all. We might have a buddy come in, Kelton, bringing us some skipjack. That's what they tend to like around these parts. And he did fill us in, along with a few other locals, that it has been a night bite. So fingers crossed that we get lucky this evening. I lost my scrunchie, but it's okay. All right, guys. I have my mushrooms poofing up. How exciting is that? Oh, we got almost a full moon. Oh, man. Here, backstrap, which Jeremy has never had. So he's in for a treat, you guys. I'm only going to cook this just a little bit. We don't want to get it too done. So ooh, looking good. All that red wine, delicious in there. Now time for the shrooms. Ooh, now the good part. I went ahead and let that red wine cook down. My mushrooms are good and cooked. Now I'm gonna sear my steaks on there. Stars ain't hard to find. All of the best and you by my side. That's my peace of mind. We've been on the go. Be right back. Okay. Did you try a mushroom yet?
No, I haven't tried.
Try mushroom. So yummy. Whew. Look at that. That's good stuff. All right, y'all. We're gonna finish dinner, clean up, and then let's see if anything turns these catfish on. You like it? From the bar to the stool all night.
Got him. Oh, did he just get off? No, he didn't. It's hard to tell because I'm holding on to a dog.
See, they just needed some dinner to call him in. Oh man, he freaking slammed that though. That was crazy. Trigger, what do we have? What we don't have is a net. Oh boy. Is he us? Oh my gosh, he like slammed at. He's not that little. Oh my gosh, he's like, what? I didn't he's like not that little. I'm like, he's like a bigger cat than I've seen in a minute. Oh my gosh. He's a feisty. They were right. They come alive at night. Oh my gosh. You are an angry, feisty man. Look how clear this water is. You look like a little shark. You look like a baby shark. He's gonna figure it out. Trigger just wants to eat our dinner. I'm not worried about him. Oh, you almost ate it. Oh, look at you go, baby shark. Dee 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 dee. Bye. Don't fall, babe. Good job. I just told you not to do that.
Got one on? It's an eating size.
On the skipjack.
Awesome.
Freaking awesome.
There's a few out here. Look at that. What is that, Trigger? What is that? Awesome.
That's freaking awesome.
Awesome. Maybe they're coming to life.
All right, guys, since Jeremy's down there talking with his friend and I just cleaned up dinner, I heated up a little bit of water. So I'm gonna go ahead and wash my face and get ready for bed, y'all. And then hopefully the cats come. Oh, back to fish. Well, Tamron got us this lovely 2-seater seat for Christmas, but I guess she didn't specify if you had to be human. Whoa, I just passed out on you guys. And then I woke up this morning and it's raining. Uh-oh. Jeremy's back there somewhere. Oh, there's movement back there. Trigger's still sleeping. It started raining, obviously, so let's regroup, you guys. I'm gonna fix my face and check back in a minute with some coffee and some breakfast. Okay, we freshened up a little bit. Didn't we, Trigger? Yes. And then I just dropped Jeremy off in the middle of the woods. Sayonara, baby. Let's get out there. Motivation's low.